Welcome to this tutorial on applying your color palette in Figma. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once the website loads, you will notice the clean layout that Figma offers to help you manage and design your projects. The next step is to log into your account. In the upper right corner of the screen, you will see a login option. Click on this button to begin the authentication process. After clicking login, you will be presented with several sign-in options. One of the simplest methods is to use Google for a streamlined experience. Click on the Continue with Google button. If you have multiple Google accounts, a prompt will appear for you to choose the appropriate account for signing into Figma. Select the Google account you normally use for your design projects. Once you are logged into Figma, locate your project by navigating to the project workspace. Figma's interface is organized so that your projects are easily accessible from the main dashboard. When you select your project, you will be taken to the design workspace where you can see your current designs and assets. This area is where most of your creative work will take place, so ensure you have the correct project open before proceeding to the next steps. Within your project workspace, look toward the bottom of the toolkit where you will see an option labeled Actions. This is the tool that will allow you to run different functions, including plugins and widgets. Click on Actions to reveal additional options. Upon seeing the extended list, click on the Plugins and Widgets option. This section provides a variety of useful tools that enhance your design process by extending Figma's default functionality. With the Plugins and Widgets panel open, you will be able to search for and activate special tools designed to work with your project elements. In the search field provided in the panel, type the name Foundation Color Generator. This plugin is specifically designed to help you create or apply your desired color palette effortlessly. The plugin streamlines the process of generating color schemes that are both visually coherent and appealing. When you see the Foundation Color Generator in the list of available plugins, click on it to select it. After making your selection, you will need to launch the plugin by clicking the Run button. This action activates the plugin, opening the interface where you can interact with its features. The plugin will display various options, one of which allows you to choose your color palette. Within the plugin's interface, you should see a section typically labeled Color. Find this section and select the color palette that you wish to apply to your project. Following these steps will ensure that you have correctly applied your chosen color palette within Figma using the Foundation Color Generator plugin. As you progress with your design work, having a consistent and well thought out color scheme can greatly enhance the professional look of your project. Enjoy your newly applied palette and continue refining your design with Figma's powerful toolkit.